Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm excited to show you my new DTF printer from Inksonic. DTF machine isn't just for like t-shirt prints, it can also be used in so many creative ways, like tags and decals. For like this example, I applied DTF to two birth announcements. One is acrylic and one is wooden. And the process itself is super simple. I taped the DTF prints in place with the heat resistant tape, and then I pressed it with the heat press, let it fully cool, then peel, and that's it. And look how cute they turned out. And I also use DTF to create my branded tags for my handmade baby items shop. And it makes my products look more professional and complete. And I mean, just look how cute it all turned out. Like the best part, DTF can also become its own business. Even if you don't plan to use it just for yourself, you can sell the ready-to-press DTF prints or sheets of tags or to other makers. And before I had my own machine, I was buying them from someone else. And now I'm able to create everything in-house, have my own creative control, and it even opens the door for like an extra income. One of the best things about it is that it comes mostly pre-assembled and all you need to do is attach very few simple parts. Like the DTF roll holder and the front tray. The setup is super quick and also beginner friendly. Inksonic does include video tutorials and it does come with this printed book manual, and it has literally step-by-step instructions with pictures. All you have to do is literally follow the book, and the setup is super quick and super easy. You could also watch the video tutorial. Anyway, so after installing just the DTF roll holder and the front tray, you will move on to the ink and you will just pour all the inks into its designated colors. They cannot ship the machine with the ink filled up already, obviously, but everything else was already set up. And all you're gonna have to do is just have the ink pump into the printer, which again is all included in instructions. Once your image is printed, you need to apply the DTF powder. So it comes in these bags, and I did transfer mine from a bag into a plastic container with a lid. It just makes it easier to work with, and you could just close the box and put it away for storage. After applying the powder, place your image face down into the Inksonic curing machine for about 50 seconds. And once it's cured, your design is ready to be pressed onto like any type of fabric, t-shirts, tote bags, and like many other items. And the cool thing is that once it's been cured, you could store these pretty designs and you could store them and press them later whenever you're ready. For this part, I'm using the Inksonic handheld heat press. And once it reaches 320 degrees in Fahrenheit, I press down firmly for about 25 seconds. When the timer goes off, do not peel it right away. The DTF is a cold peel, so you have to make sure it cools down completely before removing the clear film. And that way the design will be perfectly on your t-shirt or wherever you applied it. And as you could see, it's very flexible, it's lightweight, and you can't really feel it on. And I used a black t-shirt to show you how the colors, especially the whites, did not change, and they're still very vibrant. And here's a side-by-side comparison of a DTF from Inksonic, which is on the left, and one from another DTF company that I have used. And as you could see, the Inksonic print is like much more vibrant and stays truer to the original digital image in terms of color and detail. which is actually very, very important. This is like one of many reasons why I've been loving this Inksonic DTF printer so far. The quality and the color accuracy like really stands out, and I love that. It's a big deal to me. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I would love to help. And don't forget to check out the Inksonic DTF machine linked in the description below, and make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you. Bye.